welcome to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So today I'm trying something different. As you can see my entire office, my craft room here. Because usually when I do my video, I'm only shooting like a little bit right here vertical, but today I'm trying horizontal. So I hope it's something new, something different for you to experience my video. So today I'm gonna have a chat with you guys instead of doing a tutorial. Nah, I'm just kidding. But I do want you to stick around for just a little bit before we start and jump into our tutorial today. So, just want to have a little chat with you guys about my YouTube channel. It has been growing a lot, as I can see. You can see as well if you have been following me for some times. So I want to thank you everyone for joining this community and supporting and or for your love for my channel. I'll continue doing more great tutorials for you guys. And also for some of you that you're new here, I want to say welcome. This channel, I focus a lot on doing 3D perlers, making 3D perlers, making tutorials, and I like perler beads in general. So sometimes I do like gifts with perler or like just 2-3 perlers, so just something cute. So I hope you guys will like it as well. And then lately I noticed that I do make playlists on based on different characters. Like I have a playlist for Sailor Moon, a playlist for Pikachu, like Disney, Sanrio character. So if you just like a particular character, maybe you want to check out those playlists to see what you can make for yourself or for your friends. And then also I will have like playlists for like beginner learning how to make 3D perlers or advanced in making 3D perlers. So you can base on your experience and your skills to see which one you would like to make. And also a lot of people do ask me how to make the perfect pieces, like iron the pieces perfectly for 3D perlers. Actually, I have 2 videos. So the 3D perlers 101 and also how to iron the pieces perfectly for 3D perlers. So these videos will give you a great idea how I personally like to iron my Perler beads to make them perfect for my creations and the 3D perlers. So make sure you check those out. Also, I have other tricks like how do you repair the Perler pieces. So also check out those videos as well. It's gonna be very helpful. So I want to tell you guys that most of my recent video I added the chapters. So it's basically like if I break the tutorial in different sections, it's like the Pokeball. Like if I break it into different sections, you can actually jump into that section to go in to see the pattern and build that one first, and then when you're done you go back and build it together and then go to another section. So you don't have to search around to see where the pattern is, where the tutorial is. So I make it easier for you guys, because for myself sometimes I get fatigued, tired, like I'm building the entire thing all together. I like to build it in different sections, so hopefully it will work for you as well. So make sure to check those out. Again, if you're new to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell so you're gonna get notification when I post new tutorials. And also please check out my previous videos. There's a lot of tutorials for you to try out to see which one works better. So if you have any questions about the 3D perlers, make sure you comment down below in the video so I can check it out and get back to you. I love seeing all your comments, and a lot of you also DM me on Instagram, and then when you make something cute you also tag me on Instagram. So thank you so much. I love seeing all of them, and if you do tag me on your creation, I'm gonna share it on my story for a special shout out. So don't forget to do that. I love seeing all of them. Alright, so let's jump into our tutorial today. So today's tutorial, as you can see in the thumbnail, is my Pac-Man 3D Perlers collection. So let's bring them up first. So here is the Pac-Man Goes. Can't even fit all of them in my hands. So as you can see, this is the guy. These are the regular three ghosts, right? The Pac-Man ghosts, and then this is the one that changed to blue, and then it looks kind of weird looking when you eat that little corn. And then here is our Pacman. So comment down below and let me know if you do play this game, because I love this game. I just feel like I die every single time I don't get to advance. So let me know some tricks that you have how to advance it. So these are made with mini Perler beads, as you can see. They're not the regular bead, but then the size came up pretty nice. It's a very decent size. And then but if you prefer to build it with the regular bead, you can build that as well. But I think it's gonna look like this giant, but it's gonna be very cool, right? If they look all giant, they can put it on your desk too. And then one more cool thing about these 3D perlers, you can actually put them onto your fingers. Let me see. Go like this way. It's kind of like the Among Us, right? We were able to play them like this, and then like, ooh, if you have little kids, they're gonna love it. And then these are actually very easy to make. It's not gonna take you a lot of time. Just build them in different sections and then put it all together. So you're gonna have fun. So if you're gonna make them today, you're gonna make them, tag me on Instagram so I can give you a special shout out. So today I'm gonna show you how to build Pacman, and then this yellow ghost and this blue ghost, because they're a little bit different. As you can see, like they have different eye directions. But if you do want to build these two as well, DM me on Instagram. When I'm ready to make the pattern, I'm gonna send it to you. All right, so let's get started.
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos.
Alright, so let's get started. As you can see, this is gonna be the centerpiece, and then these two are exactly the same. It's gonna be the second outer, and this is gonna be the most outer piece. Alright, so let's work on the connector first. So you can see these three, they're connector for all the pieces. So let's use this one to connect it this way, to go in this way. Okay, and then we're gonna use the other two to go this way. So it's gonna be 2 layers to the front and 2 layers to the back. All right, so let's add this one onto the top. Oh, actually, I think this one works better. It's just based on the pieces that you iron to see which way is actually more flat. Okay, so let's take some time here. If you're using mini bead, just be careful because they're very easy to break. Yep. All right, we got first piece done, and I'm gonna put the cover on it first. You're gonna find out why, because, all right, looking good all the way here. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna add a centerpiece from here, slide it in first, because if we close it up, we cannot do that. So this piece, let's go in here, slide it through. Got it? Very easy for this Pacman. All right, so let's turn it around this way, and we're gonna cover it with this piece. So slowly, yep. At any time, if you're just iron it, the hole is not big enough, use the scissor of this one. So just kind of puck into the hole and just do like this. It's gonna open up better. Okay, so and then we're gonna go at the outer piece right here. We're almost done, so hang in there. See, sometimes it doesn't fit in. I'll use this tool. Just kind of like open up a little bit. See, this is how it works. All right, so you can see they're actually not even because this one has 2 beads coming out. Actually right here, you can see it's 4 beads all together. The bottom has 3. All right, so let's close it up. So this way, the more bead is gonna have more bead on the top. So let's close it this way. Take your time, use your nail if you have any. All right, so let's close the back using this piece.
Yay, we're done here. All right, so let's work on the top piece. I believe this piece is closing here. Just like so, got it? And then now goes to the bottom. It's gonna be this piece to make it even. That's awesome. All right, so one more piece right here to complete the Pacman. It's just right in the center. There you go. Yay, you got it. Isn't it easy? All right, let's move on. All right, so let's build them in sections, the Pacman goes. All right, so this is gonna be the back portion. So I kind of put them in order already. So these are the connector. It's pretty easy. So this way, let's put these in. Oh, don't break on me. All right, so let's put it in. And then on this one, right here. Sometimes if you iron too much, it's gonna be too flat, and sometimes you don't iron too much, it's gonna break. All right, so this is gonna be the second piece. Just like so. And then one more piece right here. So this is the back section of the Pacman goes. All right, so let's move on to the top piece. Okay, so this is gonna be the bottom layer, again with all these connectors right here. And then just follow the order that I place it here, and then place it onto the top. One more. Yay, now we got the top part. Let's move on to the other parts. Alright, so let's get started. As you can see, we have two sides here and then the face. So it's up to you. Let's do the face together first. So this one is gonna have the blue eye on this side. Okay, and then this one goes to the second layer. Oops, forgot the bottom piece as well. All right, and then hold on tight, because I feel like a piece is gonna break. All right, go in, come on. All right, so let's use my tool. Yep, just like so, and then one more onto the top. Then we're done with the face. All right, let's move on to the both sides. And then so this one right here is gonna be the bottom piece. And then using the connector right here, 1 and 2. All right, and then this one going this side. And then this is gonna be the glass piece onto the back. All right, last one right here. We're almost done, as you can see, going this way. This reminded me of the Pokeball. If you haven't checked it out, make sure to check it out. That one's pretty cute too. All right, so one more layer, then we can put all of them together. Yay! All right, so let's bring them back right here. All right, now it's like a puzzle. Okay, we got the face. Let's connect it on this side because it's the eyes. And then hold on to the other side and then put in this one. And then turn to the back and then insert the back piece. Oops. See, that's the struggling that we have. Okay, so do it very carefully and then add on to this one. Sometimes I like to do the top part first. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, the white part is gonna be facing the front, just like so. Hello, yay, we got the Pacman ghost here. Isn't it cute? Yay, let's move on to the next one. All right, let's get started with the blue ghost. So these two are the side, and then this is gonna be the top. So let's get started with the top first. So this is the bottom piece. And then let's add it right here. Just like so. And then adding these top pieces to the top. One more. So as you can see, I kind of lay them out in the order they should be. So if you just put it this way, and then you should get it. And then now these two more, one on each side. So always go with the bottom piece, as you can see. All right, let's do that. I hope you're having fun building this one with me. Sometimes I struggle too, so I used like these tools. As you can see, I just use it and it will open up a little bit, and then it will work out for you. All right, so one more right here at the bottom. That's right. You can see last one right here. All right, so we got 3 sides. Let's work on the other 2 sides. All right, let's finish the other 2 sides, the front and the back. Let's do the face first. All right, so actually this one goes to the top for the eyes. The one with the white beads. Yep. And then second layers onto the top. One more. Yep. All right, let's do the back. Oh my God, I'm so excited. We're almost there. Yay. 2 more pieces. Just like so. All right, I can't wait. Let's bring all the pieces back right here. So let's put the puzzle together. So this time I'm gonna use the top to go first, and then connect it with the 2 sides and see if this one works better. Sometimes we just have to try different things out. I feel like this is actually better. All right, so let's put this one to the top. Okay, go all the way in. Yay. And then the back. Yeah, actually I think this way is easier than the other way to build the 4 sides first. Okay, so this one, maybe flip it over. Oh, no. Go this way. All right, just like that, we got it done. All right, let's bring all the friends back over. Yay! If you get to build it, tag me on Instagram so I can see them and give you a special shout out. And then if you like to build these 2, let me know. Once I have the patterns ready, I'll send it to you, because it's only just a slightly different, as you can see. If you found this video useful, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.